All right, we are here in Photoshop. First thing we need to do is we create a new document, and I'll use this Instagram size, which is 1080 by 1350. Okay, so Photoshop has already customized that here for me. So I'll go ahead and create. So this is our canvas. We'll start working right away. We'll go get our elements. Don't want to use much, just this and this would be enough. So I'll import the files. This is for the background. Okay, I'm good with that. And this is for the karaoke mic. I'll place it just here. I'll flip horizontally. Um, okay. What I'm going to do now is to take off this mic from its background. So without wasting much time, let me use the select subject, and it will select only this mic. Some part has been cut off, so I need to crop that in. Of course, you should know how to crop before now. So I'm just going to crop some part of this mic so that it will fit in into the selection. That wasn't a perfect cropping, but I'm going to amend it. Okay, we are good to go. So I'm going to Ctrl J to copy this. Now we'll take out this visibility. So we only have the mic and the background. I'll place this somewhere here. Copy this using Ctrl J. Off this mic. I mean the visibility of this mic. Let's increase this, and let me see something. Let me try this blending option. Okay, let's keep it at this. This is great. So I guess I'll lock this mic. Then though I've already done this karaoke design, but what I'm going to do now is let's create a text like the karaoke title of Kara. I'm going to break this so it will say Kara. I'll copy this using Ctrl J, and I'll type OK. Yeah. I'll reduce the size, increase this a bit more. Okay, bring it down. I think this mic is too huge. So what I'm going to do is I'll bring it down a little bit to the right. Okay, I'll bring this two text layers below the karaoke mic. Copy this up text. I'll type in night. Let's reduce this karaoke night. We'll make this 48. Then we'll make okay 79. No, 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 no. We'll make okay 78. And we'll make night 20 something. Let me just reduce it manually. Night. I'll adjust it to the right. I'll bring this mic down with. I think it should be okay and it's going nowhere from there. So karaoke night. I'll group this and I'll copy the group. Let's play with this text. So we go to the blending option, select the gradient option. Okay. We hit the bevels. Oh, that's huge. We'll leave it at this. And we press OK. Then we'll copy this, copy layer style. We'll paste on this, paste layer style. Then what's next? I think we'll remove this. We'll stroke this so that you have you'll be able to achieve the karaoke visibility. I think we should go for color. Or let's check this. This gradient you can get it online. You just type go gradient for Photoshop and it will pop this out. Then you can download it and install it. I'm still comfortable with this, so I think I'll cancel this. I think I'll cancel this. I'm just going to stroke this and I'll off these bevels, or probably I'll reduce it. I'll add inner shadow to it. Inner shadow. I'll use this. Just need that brightness at the edge to pop out. Let's use linear. Yeah. Reduce this. Increase the size. The bevels is looking almost ugly. I should reduce its content. I think we should add stain to this to bring out depth on the karaoke. And um, Inner shadow. I think it should be dark. So we increase the choke and the size. So we add the outer glue. We will add the outer glue, the inner glue, and stain. Yeah, it's ugly, but we are going to fix it. We reduce this, and for the outer glue, we blend it. Okay, stroke, inner shadow, bevels. The stroke, we will just reduce, no, increase. Yeah, inner shadow, reduce the size a bit, increase the choke. No, distance. No. So let's just reduce the size. Let's reduce the opacity and increase the distance. Inner glue, stain. I think that's okay for stain. Okay. So let's reduce this size. Ingredient. I think that's okay. Outer glue, opacity, the size. We click on OK. We go to the first group. Let's play with these bubbles a little bit. Reduce the depth. On the size. I think we are good with this. So the next thing we are going to do is finally let's bring down this mic so that it will not disturb the night. And I'll lock it from here. Then we'll add other text. I've done this already. So I'll take this up here and leave it here. I'll bring the logo, place it here. Drink responsibly. I'll place it here because all these things you can type it out, but I don't really have that much time. I need to get this job delivered. So um, these are all minor things you can fix. I'll recreate this. Then this light flare, it's very popular. Just search for light good light flare. You can easily see it on the net. Just to give it that brightness on the microphone. Then these other lights is back. I'll bring it here. This is something you can still get online. Just search for Spark and you see it. I can't go online right now because I'm not connected to my internet and it's very annoying. It's really annoying. Can't go online. We'll check on that soon. So let's create that shape and we pick a color from this. Yeah, I don't know. It's not connecting. Can't access anything. I can't access anywhere. But I have a lot of data here. So we'll add stroke to this, increase the size, click on OK. We'll copy this using Ctrl J. We will change its color to background. We click on OK. I think this too deep. Yes. So we will reduce this a little bit. I hold on Shift